Hi guys, so now we are going to print the whole alphabet from A to Z. So this is I'm going to explain the code because it's a very simple code and we all know about the loop now and serial registers and yeah. So first in here we are calling variable num and I'm giving value 65 to variable num because why do you think we give 65? Yeah, it's because the ASCII value for A is 65 and now the code part. Okay, so there are 26 letters in alphabet, right? So we have to loop repeatedly. The we have to repeatedly print 26 times the value for the alphabet, right? So now I'm going to do is calling a label, a method label. Then I am printing number here, number. Now first our number is 65 and then I am printing message, that means the space to put the space between each letters, and I am incrementing one time number value here, number value incrementing one time. So 65 becomes 66, that means B, and printing that, and then again a space and loop, right? Here loop means method because we have now 26 serial register have 26 times in to loop, right? So and 26 times we incrementing number value each times. Here we are printing the number 26 times, incrementing one by one, and we do that 26 times. We call the loop, we do the loop 26 times. So let's see the output. Okay, yeah, then you will understand very easily. So no errors. uh, and yeah, here we have printed the alphabet A to Z. So we can also do this from side A by putting variable, uh, sorry, ASCII value for set, or we can directly give the ASCII value for set like this, uh, and we can, yeah, we can print it, or we can directly print from uh, numbers from 0 to 1, 0 to 9, or any symbol from direct symbol like that. Directly, sorry, yeah, directly from 1 to set, or where symbols from any any between any ASCII we need. Sorry, how to